Dendrobium Orchid Garden to Rope app with 40 different flower colors in Ho Chi Minh City. A shopping address will introduce to you various lines of fertilizers for orchids. Besides these flower colors, there are 36 other colors in the garden as well. Dendrobium is a fairly common type of orchid, but they are sold at different prices. Some plants cost only 50,000 VND, while others go up to 1.2 million VND. That's because they're not only beautiful, but also products that require a lot of hard work from the gardener to cultivate. So, who is the owner of this garden? Let's follow Kim Nanguyen to meet them right now. Hello, sir. Hello. Oh, are these orchid seedlings, sir? That's right, these are orchid seedlings, Dendrobium seedlings. So, how long have you had these out in the garden? These have been out in the garden for almost 3 months now. So, that means it's been nearly 3 months since you took them out of the flask and planted them here? Yes, that's right. So the plants are already acclimated to the weather conditions, and now you just need to take care of them and wait for them to grow, right? Exactly, that's right. Depending on the type, some plants grow faster, some grow more slowly. So, once we see that the plant is strong enough and the pseudobulb is big enough, which usually takes about 4 to 6 months, then we move them to larger pots to prepare for planting. After about 8 more months, they'll be ready to harvest flowers. Alright, now could you please take us on a little tour of your garden? Sure, no problem. Please follow me. Let's follow Mr. Hung. With 40 different varieties of Dendrobium orchids in various colors, they are grown on acidic soil in Da Phuoc Commune, Binh Chanh District, Ho Chi Minh City. Each year, the garden sells about 300,000 potted orchids, generating an average annual revenue of 4 to 4.5 billion VND. The most difficult aspect of growing orchids, in your opinion, is what, sir? The hardest part is that we can't control the weather. When it rains too much, it can cause the plants we grow to develop diseases. When it's too sunny, the plants lack nutrients, so we have to supplement with more nutrients. For some plants, their fertilizer requirements are light, but for others, like the one you saw earlier, the one that's thriving and growing vigorously, it needs more fertilizer than the smaller plants.
And you also have to spend time learning from failed attempts before you can grow a beautiful orchid. It's not like what people say that this job is just for fun, but you make real money from it, right? That's right, actually. Everything has its own challenges. There are articles I write to share and guide people on how to use fertilizers so that after you buy a plant and its flowers fade, it will continue to bloom again. Those are experiences I've accumulated over many years, and now I've condensed them to share with customers.
The Dendrobium orchids in Mr. Hung's garden are grown in dried coconut husks, neatly arranged into square compartments on plastic racks. Below, Mr. Hung has dug water channels to create humidity for the garden, with the orchid racks placed more than a meter above. The cost to care for each orchid is about 17,000 VND. Every time we sell one, we have to pack it like
this. I thought you could leave the pot and sell it. Most people think that, but with the flowers and leaves, if you put them in a box to ship, some parts get bent, others get crushed, or the flowers break. So we have to wrap each plant first, then arrange them in a cardboard box, pack them tightly, and only then can we ship them long distances. When shipping long distances, I usually...
Which provinces do you sell to? I sell from the south all the way to the north. I heard you also have to spend quite a lot. The cost for investing in this stage 4 and 5 in Vietnam, about how long does it take before you can recoup your investment? For the plants, I mean.
The investment cost for this flower garden. So about how long does it take before you can recover your capital?
Ladies and gentlemen, on the acid sulfate soil of Binh Chanh district, orchids have bloomed and brought a stable source of income to local gardeners. Investing in high-tech agricultural models not only aligns with Ho Chi Minh City's policy of developing urban agriculture, but also adds more greenery to the city.
Cue my fertilizer for a bountiful harvest.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to today's Where to Buy segment. I, Kim Nguyen, will bring you some extremely important and useful information for gardeners who are planning to grow or are already growing vegetables, tubers, fruits, or ornamental plants on their rooftops. So, what is this information? Please join me, Kim Nguyen, to find out. Wow, this is the first time I've seen a product set specifically designed for urban agriculture with various products tailored for different types of plants and such detailed instructions. This promises to bring urban farmers a product that is not only reputable and high quality, but also safe for users. And right now, let's take a look at the advantages these fertilizer lines offer for each different type of crop. First, let's check out the product specifically designed for households growing leafy vegetables. The Poo. My garden fertilizer set for leafy vegetables includes two products, one for the seedling stage and one for the growth stage. The fertilizer for leafy vegetables during the seedling stage combines Poo My Urea with the nutrients boron and zinc, helping the plants develop comprehensively during the seedling phase. With advantages such as easy solubility and timely nitrogen supply, it helps plants grow well, stimulates sprouting, strengthens stems and leaves, limits pests and diseases, and increases crop yields. The fertilizer for leafy vegetables during the 10 to 15 day stage uses Poo My NPK combined with beneficial microorganisms like bacillus, which help fix nitrogen, dissolve phosphorus, and decompose plant residues in the soil into organic fertilizer, thereby improving the soil. Along with outstanding features such as providing essential nutrients for stem and leaf development, adding beneficial microorganisms and trace elements to help improve soil aeration and enhance the quality of leafy vegetables. In particular, each product comes with detailed instructions on dosage and application methods to ensure plants absorb the right amount of necessary nutrients. In addition, the product is safe for both growers and consumers of the harvested crops. For gardeners cultivating leafy vegetables, this is truly a comprehensive nutritional solution for their plants. It is safe, saves time, and also reduces effort. So, what about urban farmers who grow root and fruit vegetables? To My Garden has developed a specialized product line for each growth stage of root and fruit vegetables as follows. The seedling stage and recovery after harvest. Pishu My NPK 25-5TE helps plants sprout, push out new shoots, and promote bud and leaf growth. The plants recover quickly after harvest, and the added trace elements, TE, help improve crop quality and reduce pest and disease issues. During the development and fruit root nurturing stage, use Poo My NPK 20-20-15TE. This product contains high levels of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, ensuring the essential nutrients for crops and supporting comprehensive plant development. The stems and leaves grow vigorously. The plants produce more flowers, increase fruit set rate, and help enlarge the size of fruits and tubers, especially reducing cracking and fruit drop. Additionally, it helps enhance the plant's resistance under adverse weather and climate conditions. In the context of climate change and increasing weather fluctuations, taking care of vegetables and fruits is becoming more challenging. However, with this product set, growers can rest assured that they will achieve the best quality and yield. In addition, Poo My Garden also offers a product line for fruit trees with 2 specialized products for each growth stage as follows. NPK 20-55TE helps plants sprout, push out new shoots, and stimulates fruit trees to bud quickly, promoting vigorous growth of stems, leaves, and branches. Additionally, the product helps plants recover quickly after harvest or pruning, supplements micronutrients. TE helps crops resist pests and diseases, and improves the quality of agricultural produce. NPK 20-20-15TE stands out with its high content of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, helping plants develop comprehensively, produce more flowers, increase fruit set rate, and reduce fruit drop and cracking, thereby maximizing yield and improving fruit quality. In addition, it can be used for recovery after harvest and after pruning, helping plants to recover quickly. For growers, this product line for fruit trees is truly the best support solution. And when it comes to urban agriculture, we simply cannot overlook ornamental plants. Now, let's take a look at what makes the specialized products for ornamental plants stand out. This product line is designed specifically for ornamental plants with 2 products tailored for each growth stage. With Poo My NPK 20-55TE, plants are provided with complete nutrition during the seedling stage and after pruning. At the same time, it stimulates the plant to sprout new shoots and leaves. The plant grows rapidly. Poo My NPK 20-20-15TE, with its high levels of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, ensures the plant receives all the nutrients it needs to develop stems, branches, and leaves, stimulates abundant flowering and blooming, improves flower quality, helps the plant sprout vigorously and produce leaves quickly, enables fast recovery after harvest or pruning, and increases resistance to adverse weather conditions. All Poo My Garden products specifically designed for urban agriculture come with detailed care and fertilization instructions on the packaging, including doses and application methods for each type of plant. This helps urban growers use the right amount at the right time, saving costs while achieving the highest possible yields. The information about these products we just shared is very useful, isn't it? Especially with the criteria of convenience, safety, and premium quality, this line of fertilizers aims to accompany people in greening urban living spaces. Urban gardens, rooftops, and balconies will be cared for more simply and easily, transforming into charming green spaces that create fresh, cool microclimates in every home and throughout the city. Surely many gardeners are wondering how to use these products properly for different types of plants, right? Kim Kwayan will reveal the answer in the next episode of the program. Please stay tuned. For now, goodbye and see you again next Friday at 9 o'clock on VTC News.
Through my fertilizer for a bountiful harvest.